If you want to mirror an image in a Photoshop, whether it's a single object, a full canvas, or a clean symmetrical split effect, this video will walk you through the easiest ways to do it step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to flip layers, mirror the entire document, and create that polished reflection look for portraits, graphics, and creative edits. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips just like this. Let's start with the most common method, mirroring just one layer or subject. This is the best option when you want to flip a person, a product, a logo, or any isolated element without changing the rest of your image. First, go to your Layers panel and click the specific layer you want to flip. Make sure the right layer is selected, because Photoshop will only transform the active layer. Now press Ctrl+T on Windows or CMD+T on Mac to open Free Transform. You'll see a bounding box appear around the selected layer. This means Photoshop is ready to transform that object. Next, right-click anywhere inside the bounding box. A menu will pop up with transformation options. From there, choose Flip Horizontal if you want to mirror the image from left to right. If you need it upside down instead, choose Flip Vertical. Once you've chosen the flip option, press Enter on your keyboard to apply the change. That's it. Your layer is now mirrored without affecting the rest of the composition. This is perfect for creating balance in a design or making a subject face the opposite direction. Now let's move on to method 2, which is mirroring the entire canvas layout. Use this when you want to flip everything at once, including background layers, text, images, and any other elements in the document. This method is especially useful if you want to completely reverse the orientation of the whole design. To do that, go up to the top menu bar in Photoshop. Click Image, then hover over Image Rotation. From the options that appear, select Flip Canvas Horizontal or Flip Canvas Vertical, depending on the result you want. Flip Canvas Horizontal will mirror the full document left to right, while Flip Canvas Vertical will turn the whole canvas upside down. The important thing to remember here is that this affects every visible element in your project, not just one layer. So if you've added text or arranged multiple graphics, they will all be flipped together. That makes this method great for full page mirror effects, but not ideal if you only want to adjust one subject. Next, let's look at method 3, which is how to create a symmetrical split mirror effect. This is a really popular technique for portraits, creative edits, and artistic compositions where one side of the face or object is mirrored onto the other side. It gives your image a perfectly balanced, reflective look. Start by selecting your main photo layer, then press Ctrl+J on Windows or CMD+J on Mac to duplicate it. This gives you a copy to work with so your original layer stays safe underneath. With the duplicated layer selected, press Ctrl+T or CMD+T again to open Free Transform. Right-click inside the box, choose Flip Horizontal, and press Enter. Now you have a flipped version sitting on top of the original image. To blend them together, add a layer mask to the top flipped layer by clicking the mask icon in the contextual taskbar. If you don't see it there, you may also find the mask option in the Layers panel. Once the mask is added, select the brush tool with the B key and set your brush color to black. Use a soft brush and paint on the mask where you want the top flipped layer to disappear. Black hides parts of the layer mask, which reveals the original layer underneath. If you want a cleaner straight edge blend, you can also use the gradient tool with the G key and drag a black to transparent or black to white gradient across half the mask. This helps create a smooth, seamless split down the center. The result is a mirrored composition that looks intentional and professional. This technique is especially useful when you want one side of the image to reflect the other, like for artistic portraits, symmetrical landscapes, or stylized graphics. So to quickly recap, if you want to mirror just one object, use Free Transform and flip the layer. If you want to mirror the entire design, use Image Rotation and flip the canvas. And if you want that dramatic symmetrical effect, duplicate the layer, flip it, and blend it with a mask. Once you understand these 3 methods, you can handle almost any mirroring task in Photoshop. If this Photoshop tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.